Imvula esandokuna kumasipala ombhaqo Nelson Mandela izinesiqabu amadama iKoga, iChurchill kunye neGrondal afumane umthamo omhle wamanzi nobangela ukuba wonyuke ngangomyeka 2% ukusuka ku-12% wangoFebruwari.
Our dam levels are sitting at 23% currently. Our main supply dam, Mpofu Dam, is sitting at 7%. And in order for Mpofu Dam to get more water, we need the Churchill Dam, which is now currently sitting at approximately 34%. We need that dam to overflow in order to fill up the Mpofu Dam.
Abahlala bawuthobela umthetho wokuba mabonge amanzi. Ukusetyenziswa kwamanzi kungange megaliters ngamakhulu amathathu ngosuku.
The Mpofu Dam is of big concern to us. Look what we can, the only thing we can do is hope and pray that it rains in the catchment areas. The catchment areas being quite far out past Humansdorp, where it should be raining.
Basaxhalabile abahlali ngumngeni wamanzi sixeko sijongene nawo.
In the beginning of the year, there was quite a big drive to save water, use water resourcefully. But I found that's quietened down quite a bit now. And I don't know, is there more water with all the rain we've received? Or has the focus become less on saving water?
We reported leakage to the university house, to the municipality outside my house, and they took 3 days to come and fix it.
Kule veki nje siphuma kuyo kune imvula emandla eqinisekisa ukuba amadama anamanzi abonakalayo. Kodwa usamile umyalezo ophuma kwabasemagunyeni ukuba masolondoloze amanzi. Ndingulerato Fekisi kwindaba ze SABC eGqeberha.